In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can disable having Excel turning the numbers surrounding the letter E into scientific notation. So by default, if you type some numbers in Excel and type E or something else, it will turn it into scientific notation. But to disable this, you can go to File, all the way down to Options, and then you're going to want to go here to Data. And then after you're here, you want to scroll down, and then you're going under automatic data conversion, going to see an option that says convert digits surrounding the letter E to a number in scientific notation. You're going to want to uncheck this and then click OK. Now if I do the same things, it's not converted to scientific notation like it was above here. It's just there as text. And to re-enable this, I go back to File, Options, Data. I can recheck the box, click OK, and I would type the same thing. Its default having it being scientific notation versus text. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.